Welcome to AuditLog Tag ID. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of creating a new site within the system. Sites help organize and allocate specific tags for easier management. Let's get started. First, in the company field, select the company this site belongs to from the drop-down menu. This ensures that the site is correctly associated with the right company. Next, enter the site name. This can be any name that makes it easy to recognize this site within your records. Then, in the Site ID field, enter any unique identifier of your choosing. This ID is for your own reference and can help link the site to your internal CRM systems if needed. Now, fill in the site property number or name. This could be the building number or name that further identifies this site. Continue by entering the street name, followed by the town, city, and postcode to complete the address information. Lastly, if you'd like additional security for this site, set a guest PIN. This PIN will be required for all guest forms related to the site's allocated tags. The guest PIN feature helps to limit spam entries in public areas where the QR code is displayed. Once you've entered all the details, double-check the information to ensure everything is correct. Now, click the Create Site button to complete the setup. And there you go. You've successfully created a new site in AuditLog Tag ID. This site is now ready to have tags allocated to it, giving you greater control and organization. Thank you for using AuditLog Tag ID. For more tutorials and tips, be sure to explore our other videos to make the most of the system.